Chris Stritter, Calgary Home Inspector. Self.
Ian Lozon, Master Home Inspector, triple-pane Home Inspection.
Master.
And Ecoline. Spokesperson, spokesman.
Models.
Face of the company.
I like models.
Models is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I do.
Pretty sure Ian's a bigger jokester.
I make a lot of jokes. I probably make more jokes than real actually saying anything about windows or doors or installations or anything like that. It's mostly jokes, which I find is a good way of, informing people through comedy, of how things are. And, just because people are, spending a lot of money on windows and doors and the renovations, that, that doesn't mean we can't have a few laughs and maybe joke about a few things in their house and stuff like that.
They need it. A couple of laughs, always good.
Yeah, Chris is funny too, but it's on a different level, I think. It's a different level of humor that not everybody is familiar with.
Thank you.
Sometimes I'm wondering if he's going to stab me in the back with my knife.
Deep humor.
Very deep. I'm driving home afterwards.
Really dig and unpackage it. Yeah.
We do a video and do an inspection, and I'm driving home, and I'm like, that's what he meant by that. It's hilarious.
Okay, who's more likely to show up late?
Well, considering I was late today, it's probably me.
Yeah, that's the only track record I think I know. So.
We don't really track each other, though. It's not like I'm following you to your next job site to see if you're late.
So of the ones we've done together, this is the one you've been late to. So yeah, gonna have to give you the nod there. But we do typically beat the crew. So
yeah, and I find that can be a little bit frustrating. These crews, they gotta load up their windows and go get their coffees and all that kind of stuff. And we're sitting here waiting to inspect and shoot some videos, and these guys are dragging their ass, right?
Waiting for them to unload, unpack their tools,
put all the matting down, tape
roll
everything
out the
up,
carpets for us. It's not
say hi to the homeowner, make sure they're at the right house. Let's get rolling here, right? I say we just start showing up. If it's the right house, great. If it's not, then hey, I guess they're getting new windows today. Send them a bill.
Oh, that's me.
No tools, no problems.
Exactly. I got everything I need right up here.
Yeah, I got too many tools.
Yeah.
Too many.
Yeah, we went through your pouch. It was a lot.
But I like to look busy. So if I got all the tools out, it looks like I'm doing something. You got to try other ways of conveying that to the world that you actually know what you're doing. So you're like the professor of home inspecting, I think.
Thank you.
You got a lot of knowledge,
I think that's the nicest thing you've said to me ever.
Well, I've seen a lot of your content. You're pretty smart. You're a very smart guy.
I try to be.
Yeah, I'm just pretending. I'm just putting all the tools. It's all part of the facade.
It's a good one. It's a good facade. You're doing well.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I think I take that one.
But again, he's got something to prove to the world out there.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter to me. I can pick up a window, no problem.
I don't know about you.
I think it's the morning after is where I feel it. Because I'm older than you.
Yeah.
By like a few months, right?
Yeah.
So that adds up. I don't want to risk it for the biscuit. I watch other people work. That's my thing. I used to pick up windows all the time.
Yeah.
You
You didn't have the same villain arc that I did, where I couldn't remove a screen door at one of our early
you're still
shoots,
trying to prove yourself.
And I still have a lot to make up for.
Still keeping you up at night, isn't it?
Yeah, that was the turn. That was my villain starting point.
See, the first step to failure is trying. So I just don't try, and then you don't fail. So remember that.
I need to try less. Takeaways from today.
Yes. I can be pretty chatty.
Yeah.
Pretty chatty. I don't know about you.
I think I'm a lot more to the point.
Are you?
Yeah. Get in, get the information, get out.
Yeah. I'll hang around. Depends. If the homeowner, I like them, we'll talk about anything, man. We won't even talk about windows and door. We'll talk about music, sports.
Yeah. And if the homeowner's chatty, then of course, you're reciprocating.
We've had some chatty homeowners.
Yeah.
And that's the difference there's a difference between chatty and nosy. Because, you know, there's some that are kind of milling around and they keeping their eyes on things. And then there's other ones that are kind of cool that they're just more willing to talk. So I like that. The nosy ones, you know.
It's a good mix. You never know what you're in for.
Exactly. Every day's a surprise.
Acts like the director for sure.
Yeah, he's the, for those you don't know, Sarah, he's our video guy. Don't ever call him a photographer because he will come after you personally. And, you know, he likes to pretend this is like Steven Spielberg production. And if you screw up something, you're going to find out.
Yeah.
Right?
And if he could have explosions going off in the background.
Yeah, I feel like with a bigger budget,
yeah,
we could really get some crazy
he could
things going on.
pump this up.
Yeah, we could be doing exploding windows, exploding doors, you know, guys losing limbs, you know, all that kind of stuff. It'd be pretty wild. And, you know, again, Ecoline.
Let's get this guy a bigger budget.
Let's increase the budget and for everybody, right?
Why not?
We could all use a little bit extra money. So let's work on that for next season.
Keep your stars happy.
Video guy, yeah.
Yeah, video guy.
Batteries. Like, I don't know how many shoots we've done where the battery runs out.
All of them?
He's always buying stuff. Every time I see him, he's got a new lens, he's got a new battery, he's got a new screen, new camera. It's something else new. It's a little tiny little parts.
Next time, it's going to be a third tripod. He's already prefaced that based on today.
He's got the drone going.
2 tripods aren't enough.
Yeah, it's never enough. He's got a little clip for his water bottle. A little holder, like a little holster for his water bottle. Picked it up on Alibaba. This guy's addicted to online shopping. I don't laugh at all. I don't find any of this funny.
That's probably you as well. Yeah. Point proven. Thank you.
You can define serious.
Yeah. Do either?
Like, I got the tools.
Do either of us take it
Am I
serious?
more serious? I got the tools. I'm checking things out, right?
That's pretty serious.
I go into houses. I find gas leaks. I find all kinds of problems for people.
Just while you're here checking out windows?
Serious job. Yeah, I've done an inspection, and during my own window inspection, I did another inspection in the house.
Oh, okay. Well, then I think it's a clear nod to you.
Yeah, this is the real deal.
Master Serious Inspector Ian.
Yeah, you want to be a master, you got to take it serious. Right. Yeah, you can make some jokes, but God damn it, when I'm running the show, you know, when I'm in there, I got my eyes on everything. I'm watching everybody at all times, right to the back of my head too. I see it all.
Got to appreciate that. You
ask our video guy, you know, I already know the window's a problem before we even take a look at it. I just know driving up to the driveway, I'm like, this is gonna be a problem. It's gonna be a bad house. Sure enough, we start pulling windows up, moldy mushrooms, fluffy mold in the windows. It's not good.
But we had ants.
Yeah.
Ant nest.
Ants is good.
Yeah,
I haven't had ants yet.
Some mold. Little infestation.
You haven't had mushrooms growing in the window though.
Not mushrooms, no.
That was something else.
How were they?
I'll never look at a mushroom again the same. Probably me. I always got somewhere else to be. Right? I don't know about you. Maybe both of us.
Me?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, it's mostly sarcasm.
There's a lot
and you're speaking a lot of Ukrainian too, which is probably all sarcasm. So I would say mostly
there's a lot of off-screen content that gets missed here.
Yeah, we need to start documenting it more, to be honest.
Yeah. We need mics rolling 100% of the time.
On all the installers, and we need it translated so we can know what they're saying. Because if you were out there to listen to what these guys are saying on a job site in Ukrainian, it is very bad. It's a lot of cursing and a lot of derogatory language. But no one knows, because if you don't understand Ukrainian, then who knows what they're talking about, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think the only words that I know, like through them, have been curse words.
Yeah, I don't know. I only know.
I don't know how they say any.
I know maybe 15, 20 curse words at this point, and you know, it's getting better and better every day.
I do like to nitpick.
I think you're a little bit more cognizant.
Very picky.
Yeah, you're picky. You know, you like to really stress the importance of drip cap on a second story window that's covered by a soffit, right? That's pretty picky.
Yeah.
Because I would let it slide, to be honest.
Yeah.
I don't find it as, you know, like this window over here.
Best practice.
You don't need drip cap there. It's not going to do anything.
You don't.
But for you, maybe you never know.
Yeah.
You're a never know guy, right?
Listen, it wouldn't hurt if it had been installed there originally. No harm.
No, there's no harm in it, but there's also the fact that you may be
little gain.
creating a little bit more of an issue for people.
Yeah. Comes with the nitpicking.
Yeah, exactly. I'm always telling people to call Ecoline. I tell people, strangers on the street, call Ecoline.
You're that sign guy on the side of the road, spinning it.
Yeah.
Call Ecoline.
I'm like the preacher man on the intersection.
Yeah.
You know, I'm telling everybody about how great Ecoline is. The world needs to know about this company, okay? It's very important for everyone to be very aware of this.
We need to go worldwide, so we need to spread the Ecoline name.
If we want to go to Italy, we need to be global ambassadors.
Yeah. Oh, that should go in there. My signature.
Maybe I'll put that on in the beginning.
Email signature.
Ian Lozon, Master Inspector, Global Ambassador for Ecoline Windows. That's a good ring.
Yeah, that sounds very important. A lot of prestige there.
For sure. Yeah. It's definitely not the installers. These guys got one speed.
Yeah.
Right? It's just like go.
I'm pretty even keel, so.
I can be pretty tired. I'm pretty tired sometimes.
Not a big energies guy. So you got a lot of energy. You bring the energy, I think.
Yeah, he comes rolling in there out, just comes flying out of his car.
All right, we're gonna shoot today. I'm super excited. He's got the best attitude in the league.
Yeah, just happy to be out here. I get pretty hungry.
Yeah.
I'm hungry right now.
Yeah, I didn't eat lunch yet, and that's really what's on my mind.
Yeah, I can get that.
Want to go 50-50 on that one?
When the tank's empty, you got to fill it up.
Yeah.
You got a big tank.
I got a big tank.
Me?
Yeah, you.
What are you talking about?
I mean, I've snuck a couple in.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Oh, wow. It's not just tools you're carrying, huh?
I'm not the only one bringing.
What's the need for
someone else is bringing snacks. This isn't a snack. This is a tool.
Of course.
Ooh, it's Coca-Cola flavored. That's not bad.
I don't drink coffee, so I don't think it's me.
Yeah,
You take the coffee breaks all the time.
No, I'm just drinking coffee all the time.
Yeah, but it's a break.
No,
you say I need a coffee break.
No, I'm always saying I need
You say, first we shoot this, then we take the break.
That's what installers do.
No, the installers take cigarette breaks.
Okay, fair enough.
We install the window, then we do a cigarette. Then we install the next window, then we'll do another cigarette. However many windows are on the house is how many cigarettes it'll take to install it. Or to finish it.
Put that in the order sheet. Okay,
18 windows, 18 smokes.
Per
We're
guy.
done by 4 o'clock.
How many installers we got? Okay, go.
That's a lot of cigarettes.
Yeah.
A lot of money.
Yeah.
And the price.
Yeah, cigarettes aren't cheap.
Whatever keeps the team happy gets windows installed, right?
Yeah, We just need more ladies on the side.
Yeah, they work harder, for sure.
This guy loves cats. Komodo, that dragon one time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Not Komodo.
The lizard or something, I don't
It
know.
was bearded dragon.
Weird.
No, beautiful.
No.
Yeah, I don't think I care too much.
I'm pretty picky with the weather, yeah. I get cold. Like when you do the winter time, when it's like -5.
That's 5.
Freezing my ass off. Yeah, I don't do well in the cold.
Need to pack on a little insulation.
I'm trying to lose it. That's why I got my lollipop. There's my lunch.
Lose it. We're going into winter. You're gonna freeze at -1.
Nope, I'm going down to Florida. Doing inspections down there.
The installers.
Ooh, nice
Yes.
one. Installers
The
are the
Ecoline Windows
perfectionists.
installers are the perfectionists.
They are very perfect. perfectionists. Well, they obviously install the best windows out there, and that doesn't just come by slapping them on there.
Yep. Close attention to the details.
We don't normally like have much to say about the installation because it's usually just the same every time, and it literally is perfect.
They got a system.
So maybe we take
a lot of our commentary is about the existing home, existing windows. So
yeah, we take them for granted for sure.
We do.
They just kind of do it, and we just like, yep, that's how you do it. Well, there you have it, folks. That kind of wraps up our little conversation, getting to know us a little better, get to know our camera guy a little better, kind of see on the outside, you know, what you don't see behind the video, what we're up to, what we're thinking about.
Pull back the curtain a little bit for you today.
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
just a little bit of the curtain. Because if you see it all, then, you know, that could be scary.
Yeah.
So we just want to leave.
There's some things that should stay hidden.
Exactly. Yeah. That's the way we do it around here. And what else are you going to say? Chris and Ian, your favorite window inspectors, global ambassadors,
inspectors
for Ecoline windows and doors. Yeah. Again, I'm really happy to work for this company, work with them. They're great people. I've never met somebody at this company that I don't like. Everyone makes me laugh. They make me smile. And I'm really happy to be part of this. And
they take good care of us here.
Yeah, I feel like it. So keep it up, Ecoline. Catch you later.
See ya.